I craved the picnic in the beach, so I decided to create a beautiful retreat day for myself. Only me coming here. Look.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my world. I'm Fatima Zahra. I'm a scuba diving instructor and water sports enthusiast. I share with you here my adventures in the Maldives and sometimes in other countries. Today I'm doing a special floating breakfast, all made by me in a beautiful picnic island in the Maldives. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the snooze button for more fun adventures. Let's go! Kudagiri Island is just a 40-minute ferry ride from Malé, but it feels like another world. Look at that water. It's like someone dropped a blue highlighter into the ocean.
Look at this. This is my personal bag. This is the picnic bag, and we're gonna try this. Let's see. Today is beautiful, it's sunny, and let's see how it's gonna be. This is my first time here, so I'm discovering with you guys. Look how good is this. This is a hut. There are plenty around the islands. There are small ones. This is regular hut. There's a bigger one. There's one for people with disabilities. And the very good thing in here is that people can bring their food and cook it. Look at this. We have the stove. There are two sinks, and they can provide the tools to cut and cook and everything. I will leave for you in the description the prices for everything. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I chose this place because it's the closest to the sea. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the beach there. Amazing. I'm the only guest here today because during the week everyone is working, and there's very few tourists that come here. It's a little bit weird. It's beautiful island. Maybe people don't know that, and it's very affordable. So peaceful in here, and I just saw a rabbit. Usually this place is full in weekends, which are Friday and Saturday, and holidays. So during weekends and holidays, only locals are allowed to come here. Tourists are welcome here from Sunday to Thursday. Places to sit everywhere. I can see slides there. Look at this. Beautiful.
Now let's set up the brunch. I'm so excited for this. I prepared all this by myself, guys, so let me know in the comments what do you think.
This is the moment of truth. Is it working? Is it not working? Yeah. Ooh, nice. That's so good. It worked. Here is very, very refreshing. Yeah, it feels good here. I love eating in the sea. I love that. I don't know why, but when I go out for picnic, I just take my food and eat it in the sea. It's so relaxing for me, and I just enjoy it. I wish everyone could experience this once in a lifetime at least. So we have here some fruits, a small cheese board, personal, some sandwiches, juice, jam, and honey. I usually eat plant-based, but this is an exception. So yes, let's begin. Almost finished, but I can't eat all of that. That's a lot. Still having some hibiscus and pineapple juice. Now it's time for some tonic water.
Now I love sharing, so I made some for the staff working here.
So guys, tell me what you think about this island. I find it beautiful, and during the weekdays, so calm. And I don't think this is the last floating meal for me here. I'm gonna be doing this regularly. I finished and I packed everything. Now it's lighter, and I didn't leave anything. I'm gonna take. Here's the ferry.
The picnic day is over. I love this island. Tell me what you think about it, guys. Would you do the same thing if you were here? Remember, I'm leaving more information in the description box, and please remember to like, subscribe to the channel for more adventures. Comment below what would you like to see next. See you next one.